I have to do a normal video so I can post it. It's a water wheel pit. No. Yeah.
Yeah, it says dangerous structures. Do not enter or climb. I just made figures like that.
No structure, yeah.
Says it's an adit. If we go that way, it's an adit down there.
Yeah.
I think you can probably get to it on the top and drop down.
That waterfall. The waterfall. Save on. Come on. That beautiful waterfall.
Just go on the waterway.
Yeah.
Might go back up there. Go on that path like that. That's going to bring you to the adit. There's fencing in that way.
Yeah.
Further along.
Right, gonna pause here.
Sorry.
We'll pause something interesting. Right, back again.
Whoa, that's cool.
There's a real pit here. There's one up there. There's only one on the map. And that's, oh, it can't be the adit.
Ah, because
There's the wheel pit. There's a wheel pit and there's an adit straight after it.
not up there, is it? No, yeah, that.
No, there's a little pathway on the top there. I want to get down there and have a look. Because you might be able to see it.
Right, go down these steps carefully without stepping on my butt. I was live, but my signal went, so I have to do a normal video. Right, I'm going to have to pause you here a minute while I get down there. Yep, speaking out.
Right, found it. The second adit. Goes back quite far. Goes in, takes a left. Probably squeeze in there. Somebody's cut the bars and they've tried to put the chain across it. I reckon you could probably squeeze in there. Right by the river. The wheel pit just up around the corner. Two wheel pits up there. And another adit. Nice to get in that one then. Too many people around now.
We're back. This is the water wheel. We walked over it just now.
The water comes down. The water slips
Right.
because of the wind.
Keep your cord in for a minute. God. Try not to get other people in the video as well.
So, big swimming in that big pool bit there.
Yeah. If you have a tough cell.
Well, we did find a second adit, but I didn't get a video of it. But then the boys got it for me, so I'll probably send it to me so I can add it onto this video. I'll go this way, Sophie.
Imagine this, a big rock there, the tree standing there, just been slipped away. Crashed down into that.
Oh God, ankle. Trying to get people in the video as well. Other people. I'm just going to pause you in a minute. I'll come back if there's anything interesting. Across this, walking along here, I come across this. It's not an entrance or anything, but so cool.
So, sit up in there, take photos. Twist your knees.
Right, we're back. Come across here just now. I didn't do a video because I was on live. We come across that bird, and we walk down here where Stephen is. Walk down here a bit, and we come across this, but it's gated. Goes in and it turns to the right a little bit. But you couldn't get in it to have a look. Yeah. It goes back there and it turns right. Whereas Stephen's got the torch.
Be nice to get in there, wouldn't it?
Yeah. That's usual. There's a bloody gate there.
And get in the other one, down further down.
Dad, Mum,
What?
I think to get in there, it's like dig down a bit. Because I think that's the gate down there.
Someone's written a name on it.
I think that cause most mines, they put like gates down there.
Yeah. Well, that's quite cool. It's a shame. Shame we can't get in there. Anyway, keep you running because I'm not sure what we're doing now for a minute. I thought I'd just get a video because I was on live when I seen that, so. I was on live.
The green one's going this way. The green. The green one?
Oh, what are those?
This way?
And you got a little birdie that Sophie's sat next to.
I was sat on there, I took a photo and say, right, get off just in case
Yeah.
someone had a little whinge or whatever. I was supposed to sit on it. Don't sit on it again.
Right. Quickly and then get off. Right.
That was quick.
Yeah. So I'm videoing as well. So I can take a video and a photo while I'm videoing.
I can jump on it.
That's Sophie. She's part of the Gunny Girls.
And those are the gunny boys over there.
Fast
Yes.
moving river. Yeah, it looks real fast.
Yeah. Careful. It's very fast. You get
I think
sucked
when
away.
the main river comes up, comes down through here for this is all for the mines and stuff that's here.
Yeah.
I see like a wall over there.
Another little paddling area.
It's got.
I keep you on record. Put that on as well at the same time.
You're not allowed to enter into that.
Into where?
Don't enter the fenced off wildlife areas. So this fence not allowed in that bit. Must be sensitive wildlife. Probably a nest. If there's a nest there, surely they'd put a proper fence in. Say keep out. That's not going to keep anybody out, is it?
No. So that they could just like climb over like this. I've entered. Now I enter this bit.
This bit would be better to do swimming. There's a bigger area for in case other people turn up. Look at that tree over there, someone stood up all the stones on it.
But look at this one, this wooden one. Is it me? Oh. Is it the...
Look at that. Beautiful river. Nice river to swim in. Oh, and there's the Gunny boys. And there's Gunny girls.
I hear a plane, Mum.
Yeah, you know, a plane as well.
I don't think they can hear it. Bye.
Beautiful. Beautiful river.
That water, probably like 89 degrees cold, I think. Wait.
So this video that I have took will be going onto my YouTube channel soon.
Mom, show us the ladder. Dad, there's going to be like loads of skaters and... I have caught one, Mum. I've caught one in an animal's pool. I caught one in an animal's pool.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I want to look down there. There was loads of them in there. Oh, if that plane noise, yeah, there's a big one.
Got this sign here. This is where we're to.
And it's the River Foy. runs up through.
Dad,
It's what's in the water. Eels.
Salmon and trout.
Yeah, salmon and trout.
Dad,
What?
do we start up here?
Yeah, we probably did. No, that's... I think we're up this end.
Look at that cool bench. Oh, that's really cool.
That's that.
Wish I could be as artistic
here.
as that. That's really well cool. That.
Let's go and see what Stephen found in the tree. The first. Ooh! The second thing.
Let's see what Stephen's found. Let's have a look.
Stephen found in the tree.
Let's have a look. See what Stephen's found.
Oh, coins, Mum.
No, that's what he's found. Coins in the tree.
We have found a lot of coins.
Coin tree.
This one's loose. I know what one's loose.
I'm
guessing, yeah. That one's loose.
50p.
Mum, that one's loose. Look. Loose one.
Even if you get them out, you probably wouldn't be able to spend them.
No.
Why?
Oh, up and bent and damaged.
Cut up beautiful river. That's in calm.
Just be good luck sticking it in that money tree.
Oh, by the sun. No, more than good luck.
Calm river.
I didn't see any fish.
No.
Water.
You think you'll see it next. It's nice and calm there. Yeah. What's this sign?
Oh,
So there's an otter around here as well.
an otter.
Oh.
Look at these pictures.
Otter
yeah.
there.
Otter. Look. Dipper. Dipper.
Yeah, that's that
These.
Dunno.
statue that you was on just now.
It was a dipper.
Yeah.
Look.
I think it's
How
to
is
do
it
with like
spelled?
the eels.
Look. 2 5.
Yeah.
I'll show you where the place is.
Yeah, pipe out of that.
I think that's where the water comes out. That's where the water goes. How does the water move? How does the water move?
Well, it's like current kind of thing.
I don't know what they put in that water, but it looks dirty to me.
Looks right. It's nice and clean.
It's not clean. Yeah. Actual metal. And then we just climb up here and then jump. That's my favourite jump.
Loads of waste piles in there.
Oh.
Oh, what the hell many waste piles? Probably thousands.
Well, we did find 2 adits, one shaft. Didn't find the other one.
The other shaft was off the track up the top.
Yeah.
Had to like go through the woods. It's not too far away. We'll find it next time we come in.
Yeah. That'll be for another video.
Because one was on the path that we were following.
What's in there?
How blackberry?
Water channel thing.
Ah.
What do you call it? Right, Stephen.
Well, that can be for another video, another day. Try and find the other shaft.
Mama, this is the road.
Yeah.
We'll come back to Mama.
I'll sing sweet at first. what do you call it, place?
Yeah.
Or a park.
And spend the day here. Kids can do some paddling.
Well, the mother and that down there could walk around.
Yeah. Bring our dogs as well.
Will mum come down here? Comes in with a wheelchair.
Oh yeah.
Can't do the top part. Well, she can do just do the bottom part down there.
Yeah. I have to cut that bit out about what you said with your mum and Tamsin.
Right. With a back box. I could probably build one of them. It'd probably be easy to make, back box. Just get some wood for the sides, one for the front, one for the roof. Just cut. Then the back climb up inside from the bottom.
Mum,
Yeah.
look at this wood. I wonder what this wood
We've got loads of bats around our house.
I wonder what this wood leads to.
No.
What?
Don't know.
Look, I found them next to the tree. In front of the tree.
Hmm.
Okay, there's something in the trees over there, and it's the bridge, isn't it?
Look at that.
I think it's something to do with the trees.
Yeah.
There's on the other sign that we looked at, they were saying something about there's like 50 different types of moss in these woods. I think it's just about the moss and all that stuff.
Right, what are we doing now then?
Let's see what the sign says up here. Then should get ice cream on that.
Forest high. It says forest high. No
Yeah.
camping fires. Oh, I don't know why.
It's been so dry.
Yo.
If you do a little like fire, it might catch something they like.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, so we can't do fires or barbecues here.
Plenty of water.
Yeah.
Fire brigade put a pipe straight into the river.
Right.
Yeah, come down here for a steakhouse,
We're here.
Yeah.
and then come for a walk.
We're here, back here.
Yeah, we'll come down here and have some dinner sometime.
Look. Oh, what's that?
Probably a bit expensive, like steak is expensive.
Yeah. Waiting for you to stop recording so I can ask you a question in a minute.
Yeah. Right, gonna end the video here.
That's how we started, isn't it, Mum?
Yeah, like what you see. Give us a like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.
Put
All done.
the video my edit
So-
join into your video.
so-
Yeah.
So,
So it's bye from Sophie,
That box.
bye from Stephen, and bye from Dan. Gunny boys.
Bye.
See you later.
bye.
Bye.